Alright guys, my name is Josh, you're watching the channel Hidden Hammock, and right now we're on a stealth camping adventure. We're going in hot. If you notice to the left of me right now, there is an abandoned water treatment station, and we're just going to make it around the fence line right now and make it around the back. Now we're not going inside this abandoned water treatment station. Hasn't been abandoned too long, still pretty fresh. I don't know how long it's abandoned, but around the back here I found us a nice little romantic spot right next to the river, and I can't wait to stealth camp. It's going to be a good one. Now we're going to jump up on the fence. That's us, we're in. How freaking amazing is this? Is this awesome? And look, we've got a view of the river all the way down there. And check this out. I reckon we could probably just hang our hammock real low off the handrail, off this bar here, across to here. My only concern is tonight we might need a tarp because it might rain. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain, but we're gonna have to sort out a tarp situation. Anyway guys, this is us tonight. We're gonna try stealth camp here, right next to the river, and I hope we get away with this one. Alright guys, it's time to get set up. Let's go. Bam! How you like that? That's us tonight. Camping out on this little testing station. Hidden Hammock Stealth Camping Alliance. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's where we're camping tonight, guys. I'm loving that. I just flared it out. Put these spreader poles in. And just, yeah, get the cocoon ready. Yeah guys, I don't trust this weather tonight, man. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Try run a ridgeline from there. Try just put a tarp around us, just in case it rains. I don't know. I think we gotta do something. All right, guys. I just put up the tarp and it looks flippin' amazing. Are you ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Let's check this out. Like that. I put the top over the edges of the rails. I've got a nice A-frame, and we run a ridge line from that pole all the way to here, and that's us tonight. Check this out. Living on this little bridge testing platform out the back of an abandoned waterworks over here by a river. Look at those views. Amazing. Yeah, hit the like button. Come on guys, what do you think of that? Just amazing, eh? Fantastic. Hidden Hammock Stealth Camping Alliance. The sun's going down, guys. It's another day gone. Another new day tomorrow. This is us. Fantastic. I'm gonna have a drink, maybe eat something. Probably got to set up the rest of my hammock. I got to put in my mattress and loft out my sleeping bag, get all ready for night mode. So basically guys, I'm just praying that no one walks past there tonight and looks this way at the river. And we don't get busted. But otherwise we should be good to go. Guys, can you hear that? Lucky we put a tarp up. It just started raining. Man. Far out, that was lucky, man. I really wanted to sleep here with no tarp. And I was gonna go sleep under a bridge. I might do that if we get busted here and I have to go somewhere else. But yeah, I had two options. Sleep out on this weird walkway thing or sleep underneath a bridge. So yeah, so I'm glad I put up a tarp. Come on, show us again. Come on, nature, light up the skies. Come on. Yeah. Fantastic. Man, I just love lightning. I wish I was in Florida. You guys have awesome lightning in Florida. You have fork lightning. Alright, I'm getting pretty wet now. Guys, I hear thunder, eh? This is us, guys. We're sleeping above a river tonight. It's fantastic, man. It's a little bit windy. You can see the roof is blown around a lot. Yeah. Whee, there it goes. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is a fantastic find. I was just walking around this town and I came up on this. I saw this abandoned waterworks. And I was like, oh yeah, followed the fence around the back and boom, just came up on this really strange walkway. Must be like some water testing station. That's the rain now. Bit of lightning tonight, bit of rain. Luckily we're undercover. Alright, I'll check in soon. Yeah. Guys, this is pretty hard out. This is hard out, guys. Wow, it just really turned to custard. How are we going down here? Look at all this water creeping on my bag. Wow. Man, that just came in for us hard. Man, where did that come from? Anyway, I gotta turn off the light, keep it stealth. Far out. And now it's calmed down again. This is out of it. I'm a little bit concerned, guys. We'll see how it goes. That's water there. Now we're gonna have to sort this out. I'm gonna have to tighten up the tarp and yeah, we'll get back to it. Because look at this. This is all water. So I'm gonna tighten these down. I'll be back soon. Serious thunder, guys. Serious thunder. This is slowly getting more and more heavier, guys. The DD tarp's getting a thrashing. Alright guys, some more flashes of lightning. The rain started again. We might be in for another round. See what happens. Oh, did you hear that? Living on the edge. Man, living on the edge, man. Literally living on the edge. And I don't want to get struck by lightning tonight, man. I checked the weather. It wasn't meant to be any lightning. Just some wild gusts just bowl through.
But we are on a river, I guess. That doesn't help, but I'm liking it. It's fun. Anyway, I'm in my sleeping bag. Whoa. Man, it's whistling hard, eh? Yeah, anyway, I'm in my sleeping bag and I'm in my, got my survival blanket around my sleeping bag, and yeah, that's us, man. Trying to stay warm, trying to make it through the night. Hidden hammock, yo. Alright guys, this is us, this is dinner. Salsa verde tuna, flakes of cooked tuna with capers, mustard and parsley. This is us. Let's rip this open and let's have some dinner. Alright. That's what we're working with. That's dinner, guys. It's actually really tasty. I really like this one. Let's see what we're working with. Alright. Here we go, guys. The official taste test. Yeah, man. Delicious. Alright, guys. I'm gonna keep crushing this back and yeah, enjoy my dinner. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm super duper tired. I've had big days and yeah man, I'm gonna go to sleep now. So I'll see you in the morning and we'll go exploring then. Till tomorrow, peace out. Good morning guys. What a satisfying sleep I had. I'll show you the view. There we go. Till we woke up right next to a river. Fantastic. Man, had heaps of rain last night, guys. Heaps of thunder. Soon I'll get up and I'll show you around. And bam, that's how we survived last night. Fantastic. Alright guys, check it out. That was us last night. Right at the end there. On this service station. Water service station. How cool is that? Flipping amazing. I love it. Yeah, check it out. Right next to this abandoned waterworks. Out there, man. That's where we stayed last night. Yeah. Fantastic. And that's the view from my hammock. How beautiful is that? What a spot. This is such a fantastic location. Hello. Some kid just said hello to me. I just got busted by a child, guys. Yeah. This is what it looks like from this way. Yeah. Alright guys, I've shown you around and I've taken some great photos. I've been going live lately and I just want to say a quick shout out to all those who donated to my channel. I really appreciate it. So Landon Wold, Simple Outdoors, Matthew Wacholtz, Mark C. Ristow, McHappy Camper, and my man John Long. Thank you so much for your donations. It really helps me continue on with this journey. So thank you guys, much love. All right guys, time to pack this up. Let's go. And boom, just like magic, we all packed up. Fantastic. Hey guys, what a spot, eh? I love this view, man. Look at this, just beautiful. I'm never ever gonna forget this stealth camping location. It was just amazing. All right, time to go.
All right guys, that's the end of another stealth camping adventure. Don't forget, we are on an adventure at the moment, so don't forget to hit the notification bell. Make sure you get notified when I go live. All right guys, we made it back out onto the main street, and I'm pretty happy. What an awesome place to stealth camp last night. I would never have found that on Google Maps. I literally just came up on that, walking by. Actually, I was just walking down this footpath and I noticed there was an abandoned waterworks. So yeah, we just went behind there and checked it out. And we just found that awesome spot just by chance. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, joining me on my stealth camping adventure. My name is Josh, and you've been watching the channel Hidden Hammock. And guess what? It's time to go. We out.